Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the two Excel sheets and converting both ranges into tables named Table and Table B so formulas reference stable ranges. Once done, clean the key column. Use trim and upper to remove extra spaces and normalize case. Make sure column headers match exactly. Now create a helper column in each table for a combined key if needed, concatenate ID and date for uniqueness, and save the workbook. This keeps your references reliable as you move to comparison steps. Now you compare rows using a formula-driven approach, so Excel tells you which rows repeat. Use COUNTIF for simplicity. For example, equals COUNTIF, table B key, at key 0 to yield true when a duplicate exists, or use XLOOKUP to return the matching row details for context. Once the formula is in, fill it down through the table so every record is evaluated automatically. Make sure formulas use structured references. This preserves integrity when you add or remove rows during inspection. Finish by reviewing the flag duplicates. Apply a filter on your helper column to isolate true values or use conditional formatting to highlight matches for quick scanning. Once you verify, you can take action, delete, merge, or export the flagged rows to a new sheet or CSV for archival. If results look wrong, troubleshoot by checking leading/trailing spaces, inconsistent formats, or wrong key construction. Rerun trim/upper and recompute the helper column to correct mismatches and repeat the filtering step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.